Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. So my last Cast Iron Wednesday video, someone requested to see jalapeno spam nachos. So I went and got a can of jalapeno, finally found some, Walmart. They seem to have every flavor. So yeah, let's make some nachos with some jalapeno spam, which I've never had before. So let's get to it. Let's get to the prep. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of refried beans, so got some a little bit of bacon grease. Come on, let go. There we go. I'm gonna do, I don't know, that much. I'll just container this for a later date. Love these containers. Alright, we got the Spam now. I was debating how I was going to cut this. I think I'm just going to dice it up. So I'm going to save half. There's actually chunks of jalapeno in it. I thought maybe it was just flavored. Alright. Got my beans are starting to sizzle. Sizzle on bacon grease. Where is my other... Oh. Get back to that. Got the bacon grease for the Spam. Since I already had it out, why not? Okay. The item I was looking for was my spatula. So I wouldn't further scratch my, this is a little, well, it was a Teflon pan. It's getting to the point where it needs to be replaced, but that going. It's a Teflon end, so that they can take a lot of heat. In case you're wondering, that's some Totino's chips here. Gonna Spam is frying up nicely. I originally was going to go with cubes, or like little medallions, flat, and I was just going to fry them in my big skillet. But then kind of the last minute I decided just to dice them up. So, can't have nachos without cheese, although I'm thinking I should have made nachos cheese sauce, but last time I made nacho cheese sauce, I wasn't super happy with it because it wasn't, didn't come out like I was hoping. That's probably a good start. You see the, I almost call that spam done. Or damn near done. While that's wrapping up, I can go ahead and, come on, tripod. I don't know about these beans. I got them because they were smooth, but I don't know. So I just want to put some pretty small dollops across the top. Like so. I still have some left over, but I might not use any more of it. That looks like a good amount. Let's see if I can get you in the same shot. Go ahead and kill the burner. Got my Spam. And the floor got its share. If I don't use it all in this meal, I had a snack when I got home, so I'm not crazy hungry. So I can always put that on some nachos tomorrow morning. I want to add a little bit more cheese on top. Just a little bit. Like so. Alright, I got a 500-degree oven, so I'm gonna slide that right in there. Keep it, watch it like a hawk. Alright, just for even melting, I want to turn it like so. Alright, let's take a look. It's not looking too shabby. Got those tomatoes I cut a bit ago. Got some avocado here. Thinking about it, I should have went with half pepper jack and half cheddar, but I didn't think about it till later. And I didn't go to the store today either. Damn it. Right. Not looking too bad. Of course, if you want to add like green onion or olive, onion, whatever, go for it. I got some salsa for dipping because I last time I put it all over the top. I get about halfway through and it was starting to get all moist. So all right, let's taste it. I was thinking as I was getting my camera together that if I'd mixed cheeses, I probably would have had a nice cheese pull, like a little mozzarella mixed in. But anyway. Well, initially it's quite good. Gotta try pieces of Spam. I'm not really getting any heat from the jalapeno. Still tastes good though. Yeah, I'm digging these. Really good. Like I said, you can really make them however you want, but I'm sure enjoying them. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching. The playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be at the end. Also, link below. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and we'll catch you in the next one. I don't know what next month's challenge is going to be, so stay tuned.